The photos you see here are from India's largest solar farm called the Bhadla solar farm, which covers a massive area of 56 square kilometers, which is more than the entire area of New Delhi. This farm is located in the Thar Desert towards the west of India in Rajasthan, near to the border with Pakistan. The location is in an extremely harsh climate where temperatures can go up to 50 degrees Celsius in summers, where human access is limited, and water is a precious, precious commodity. And to top it off, dust storms are extremely common, with fierce storms destroying houses, killing livestock, and claiming the lives of hundreds of people every single year. And yet, the Bhadla solar plant sprawls across the desert, generating enough electricity to power 10 lakh or a million homes. So it begs the question, how do these fragile solar panels made of glass survive in these harsh conditions where sandstorms are ready to bury them in an instant, where access to water is basically non-existent, and where human personnel can't go in to operate or assess the damage to any of these solar panels? Enter our brave robots. These robots are able to automatically clean solar panels and are key to the installation of solar panels in desert areas. And the robots are remotely operated, allowing engineers to operate them from a main control room without having to enter the solar farms. This allows them to activate these robots at any time of day and even during a sandstorm. But you might ask yourself, what makes the robots in Bhadla so unique? Well, the key is that these robots are specially built for India's desert conditions. You see, deserts are an especially difficult place for solar panel cleaning robots because it lacks access to water. And water is what is typically used to clean solar panels across the world. However, engineers have come up with an ingenious solution, and that is waterless cleaning systems. The robots installed in Bhadla are by a company called Ecopia, and it uses no water. Instead, it uses a cloth-like material to mop up the dust. The company states that this will save nearly 80 million liters of water every year. That is around a million buckets of water. You can imagine how much water that is. And this robot technology is not limited to Bhadla. All renewable hubs across India, which are located in desert-like conditions, will be using this technology. In fact, the largest renewable hub in the world, currently under construction in Gujarat, called Khavda, is going to be using the exact same technology. I've made a video discussing how important the Khavda project is, and you can view it by clicking the link somewhere here. To summarize, these robots are crucial to enabling the operation of solar panels in massive farms across India. And they're a tiny but very important part of the puzzle, which is renewable energy in India. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe. It will really help a small channel like myself out. Thanks again, and see you next time. Bye for now.